In this section, we will learn how to view hardware and software information on an Ubuntu computer. Let us begin. First, click the Ubuntu icon used to open apps. In the search field, type Settings. When the Settings application appears in the search results, click it to open it. The Settings window contains a sidebar on the left. Scroll to the bottom of the left sidebar. Look for the option named System and click on System. The System Settings tab will open. Here, you may see options related to your computer. Click About. The About page displays basic information about your Ubuntu computer. You can see the device name. The device name is the name used to identify your computer. It may be displayed when your computer connects to a network, communicates with another device, or uses a sharing feature. Below the device name, Ubuntu displays a summary of the system. The operating system field shows the installed Ubuntu version. The hardware model field displays the manufacturer and model of the computer. The processor field displays information about the computer's CPU. The memory field shows the amount of RAM installed in the computer. The disk capacity field shows the total storage capacity detected by Ubuntu. This About page is useful when you need a quick summary of the computer. However, Ubuntu can also display more detailed hardware and software information. To view it, click System Details at the bottom of the About page. The information in this window is divided into two sections. The section on the left displays hardware information. The section on the right displays software information. The Copy button at the top of the System Details window lets you copy the displayed system information. This is useful when you need to share your computer specifications with technical support or include them in a troubleshooting report. The About page gives you a quick system summary, while the System Details window separates the information into hardware and software sections. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Ubuntu related guides and tutorials.